Hi everyone, welcome to this series on using the Batch Web Data Exporter version 2. Today we're going to be having a look at the format of the data that you can export. This relates to file exports, data upload and sync mode. Obviously we're going to be looking at the data when it's output to file, but this same format of data can be used when uploading in data upload mode or uploading when in sync mode. So we've got WooCommerce XML selected down here, and this is what we can see on the right. It's a standard XML file. It's got the standard header here. The root element is called books. That's what encloses everything, and each individual book is enclosed by book tags here. So we've got a lot of other options here. We could export to a CSV instead. And if we do that, we'll see that we've now got comma separated file with the header up here. This is all the field names, and then obviously all of the data here includes the same data, just in a different format. So you've got a few different formats here which are explicit. So WooCommerce XML, WooCommerce CSV and Shopify CSV. And then we've got the two custom options. So we're going to go to custom XML here. I'm going to hit customize. So you can see for the WooCommerce XML, the ISBN, we've got a list of fields here, So ISBN 13. In the WooCommerce XML, that field is called ISBN. Title is called title. Author is author. Description is actually content in the WooCommerce XML. Price is price. And so you can see that we've got a load of fields here, pages, imprint, language, edition, and then we can, in the WooCommerce XML, those are all named a specific thing. And what we can do here is define our own naming schema, essentially. So we're going to say, instead of books here, we're going to say this is titles. And then instead of book, so that's title. And then we're going to change the ISBN 13 field, and we're going to call that EAN. We're going to save that. We're going to exit, and then we're going to export to file. I'm going to open that up. Export to file complete. So if we open that up now we can see we've got the same data, but it's structured in a different way. So now our root element is called titles, and each book is enclosed by title tag. And instead of ISBN 13, our ISBN 13 element is now called EAN, as we specified. So the idea there is that you can create data in a structure that you define. You can also do that with CSV. For CSV, these XML root names and title names are not going to be relevant, but here we can still label differently, which will define our CSV header, and we can also change the ordering of the fields. So if we change that one, so these are going to be ordered in a different way now. So if we save that and exit, if we export to file again, open up, we've got our custom CSV, and we can see now that the first field is title, as we've defined, and the second field is EAN. So that's a custom ordering and custom labeling. So hopefully you found that useful. That's how to define different data output formats for the Batch Web Data Exporter version 2. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you again soon.